This M2 competition claimed that any GTR he went up against stood no chance. And he made sure to get that message out by posting this.
Any GTR doesn't stand a fucking chance. In 3, 2, 1.
Ball is going to die.
He actually got a race against the GTR and won. It was looking good for the M2 comp until a friend of mine with an Alpha 8 Nissan GTR saw the video. And this, my friends, is where things got interesting. They met on a road in Mexico, and this is how the races went. This is why you never challenge a GTR. And that's how